You're going to steal my idea now.
So, Runa, do tell us your favorite color for bougainvillea.
It's a fuchsia.
It's fuchsia.
The kind of purple one, you know. And I also
perfect.
like the yellow ones when they turn almost orange, you know. It really makes me feel like I'm in Spain.
Yeah, and this time of year, I tell it really, really does flower beautifully.
Yeah.
Yes. I think the other thing that really appeals to me in the urbanization are these towering tall palm trees. I love them.
Yeah, well, you get to feel that you're in a mature, established area, and that's
Absolutely.
usually why you have these wonderful gardens.
Yeah.
And it's really well kept. Crispy white houses and
it's also not
Spanish flora.
Kind of, you know, sometimes when you find these urbanizations where for some reason they let it grow too much and it's all cluttered. Here it's beautifully laid out and lots of color, but not cluttered. I think it's really nice.
Arco Iris, it's called. 5 minutes from Puente Romano.